Hi, I'm Rita Wilkins, also known as the Downsizing Designer. So welcome to my Tuesday night Facebook Live. And I do hope that many of you benefit from this particular video because it's fun. And, you know, decluttering for many people is a chore, but I try to make it fun. I try to make it informative so that you can get through it because you know you can. So you know that it's spring when the flowers bloom and the sun shines just a little bit brighter, and that mystery closet starts mocking you every time you walk by it. So it's time to take action, but let's make it fun action and a decluttering action. So welcome to my keep, toss, or what the heck is this 7-day spring cleaning challenge. It's a weekly reset for your home that your home didn't know you needed, but you definitely do know. So we're not going for Pinterest perfect, we're going for progress. So clarity, peace of mind, and maybe even a few good laughs along the way. So how does the spring 7-day challenge work? So each day for 7 days straight, you tackle one small space, one decision at a time, using my favorite 3-question method. So if you keep it, it means I love it, I use it, I need it, and it's earned its place. The second one is toss, because it's broken, it's outdated, it doesn't fit, or it brings zero joy. So then you could say goodbye to that. And the third one is, what the heck is this? So we all have those things. If you can't name it, if you can't claim it, then out it goes. So and the best part, you can repeat this 7-day challenge as many times as you'd like, once a month, once a season, or every time a drawer gets overflowing. So your 7-day decluttering adventure starts with day 1, and that's the one drawer wonder. So pick any drawer in your home, in the kitchen, the bathroom, the nightstand, or a junk drawer, and maybe especially a junk drawer if it's really bothering you. And a mini challenge there is to find 3 items that you've had over a year that you haven't used. So either donate them or toss them today. So day 2 is the closet countdown. So open your closet and choose 7 items of clothing. Hold each one in your hand and ask, do I love it? Does it fit? Would I buy it again? And it could be that dress that doesn't fit anymore, that never really felt right on you. So the mini challenge there is to remove 2 items you're holding on to just in case. Day 3 is the bathroom bottleneck. So scan your cabinets and your shelves for old products, the expired medications, or hotel samples that you swore you'd use. And the mini challenge here is to clear out 5 items and create one clean, calm shelf that is for only what you use. Day 4 is the kitchen clear out. So open a cabinet or a pantry, focus on utensils, Tupperware lids that have no bottoms, or tops that have no bottoms, and spices from another decade. So the mini challenge there is to toss out or donate 10 items that have overstayed their welcome. Day 5 is called the Paper Pile Patrol. Sounds like Paw Patrol. And tackle that pile of mail, the receipts, or the files that have been lurking in plain sight for a number of weeks. And your mini challenge here is to recycle 10 pieces of paper and organize what's left into 2 neat categories, either action or archive. And day 6 is Sentimental Saturday. Now we all need this. So you're going to choose 3 items, the old cards, your kids' preschool artwork, maybe grandma's dish collection. And the mini challenge here is to let go of 1 item by honoring its memory with a photo and maybe a short journal entry about why it matters so much to you. And day 7 is celebration and reset. So look back on what you've accomplished. Feel the difference in your space and also in your mindset and your spirit. And the mini challenge here is to write down 1 area that you're going to tackle next week, then reward yourself with a walk, a hot bath, or 10 guilt-free minutes of maybe your favorite book. So here's why this challenge works. You don't have to do it all at once. You just have to start. And when you repeat the 7-day challenge, it could be weekly, even, just for 1 month, you'll be amazed at how much lighter and freer and more energized you feel, because less clutter means more you. So if you're ready to repeat, bookmark this video and return to it every single week for a fresh round. So make it a household game. Get the whole family involved and have fun with it. And if you want to go deeper, you can grab my Minimalist Essentials checkbook on my website, designservicesltd.com. It's on my online shop. It has decluttering checklists, tips, and tools to make the process almost effortless. So remember, you don't have to keep what no longer fits in your home or your life or your future. Let this be the spring that you choose freedom, one drawer, one day, and one closet at a time, and also one, what the heck is this thing, anyway, at a time. So I hope you're in, and I look forward to hearing back from you.